Okay, I pulled out the tomatoes that were here, and you saw I got a whole basket full. The majority of those were from one plant. A few of them were from a second plant. One was from a third plant, and a fourth and fifth plant had nothing on it except for beautiful foliage. Okay, these are being eaten up, so I put some neem oil. It's neem oil and Dawn soap mixture on these, and hopefully they perk up a little bit. My homegrown garlic, I planted it down in here underneath this mulch a week or so ago. I think it was about a week ago. Anyway, today I am planting the garlic that I got in the mail yesterday. Well, after I pulled out the tomatoes, I discovered that I had planted some peppers down in here, and they were too shaded out to do anything, so I pulled one out, and it's over there, and left the others in here for who knows why, because I know that as soon as it frosts, they'll die. But anyway, so I'm planting. I've got one row that goes from here down to about halfway, and then a second row, and I'm working on the third row. I'll probably have a fourth, and I'll probably go all the way across with these. These are the I forget the name of them right off the top of my head in my little piece of papers in the house, but they're the ones that do well in it, really called. And you'd have to look on yesterday's video to see which ones those are. Okay, I got all the garlic planted, both kinds. Got mulch on top. Add a little bit mulch to this part over here. And like I said before, I got some neem sprayed on that. So this area is good for a while here. Let me double check something here. Yeah, that's just a wrapper. Okay. So, that's looking pretty good. I forget what it is. And that went to bloom over here. Let me see if I can focus in on it. There it is. It's I think it might be a bok choy. Yeah, the leaves look a bit like it. Anyway, I'll let that go to seed, and maybe it'll self-seed. So this is looking good, I think. I haven't decided whether I'm going to cover this up for winter or just see how it does. We'll see how cold it starts to get and decide from there. This area is all cleaned out, and I need to grab some from behind here. Right now this is full of stuff where I carry it, but over where my other garden is, I need more mulch. I'll be getting some of that, but I've got room here to put new leaves and stuff. It's just about that time of year.